Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add back to top button in Squarespace. But if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So how do you actually add a back to top button on Squarespace? Well, this one is actually very easy. So what we need to do here is we need to access this website, which is going to be Elfsight. So Elfsight is a great way for you to start adding your widgets, which in this case is going to be the back to top in Squarespace. What we need to do first is visit their website, which is elfsight.com, create your account, and once you've created an account, you can go ahead and click on the widgets section at the top section. Now once you click on it, you should be able to see this page here. So in this case, just type in the following, which is going to be back to top. Just press and enter, and you should be able to see this specific widget. So go ahead and click on it. Now what we need to do next is we need to choose the design for our back to top button. So there's going to be a bunch of things that you can view here, but in this case, I'll be using this specific widget here or the design here or template. So just go ahead and choose that and just click on continue with this template. Now from this template here, you could go ahead and start editing your template. As you can see on the right side is going to be the sample of our current widget. Now in this case, you could change the text for it, the button color, icon and text color, border, size, and even the shape if you want to. So I just switched this to large and even change your shape here as you can. Now in this case, you could go ahead and do that, and once you've added your changes, you could go ahead and just click on the button here that says add to website, and that would actually redirect you to another page, which in this case, you'll be able to see this section here. Now from here on, what we need to do is we just need to basically complete all the necessary things here. So if nothing pops up here, click on the view plans option at the top right, and from here choose the free plan option here. But once you've done that, you could go ahead and just click on close here, and as you can see, it is now published. Now what we need to do next is we just need to click on the install button here, and from here just click on copy code. And from here, once you've done that, you just go back into your website here, click on edit at the top left. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to click on add block at the top left. Now, in this case, it doesn't actually really matter where you actually put this. So in this case, just click on the code section here. And from here, just drag it into somewhere that it's actually visible. So currently, I just added this in this section here. Now from here, click on the edit button at the top left of that specific section, and from here, copy or highlight the full thing here and paste the code that we just recently copied. Now from here, you could go ahead and just create your text here, and once you've done that, you could go ahead and just go back in here, and from here, you could go ahead and click on preview in safe mode, and as you can see, it is now previewed in here. Now from here, you could go ahead and just save your changes by clicking save at the top left. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to go back. So let's just click on exit here. And from here, we want to click on the preview at the top right. And as you can see, once we actually preview this, at the bottom right of your screen, we now have the back to top button. Now let's just go to the very bottom here and let's just go ahead and click this specific button, and as you can see, it actually brings us or basically direct us to the very top again, which is something really cool. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.